How does metaphorical extension change word meanings? Have you ever wondered how a word can mean something completely different from its original definition? This fascinating process is known as metaphorical extension. Let's break it down. Metaphorical extension changes word meanings by taking a word's original sense and applying it to new ideas or concepts. This happens through analogy or similarity. For instance, think about the word head. Initially, it refers to the upper part of the human body. Over time, it has taken on new meanings, like the leader of a group, as in head of the company, or the top of an object, like the head of a nail. This shift occurs because there is a perceived resemblances between the original meaning and the new context. When we use a word in a new way, we expand its meaning. This process is part of what we call semantic change. From a grammatical and lexical standpoint, metaphorical extension increases the number of meanings a word can have. This is known as polysemy, where multiple related meanings coexist within a single word. As language evolves, metaphorical extension enriches our lexicon. It allows us to express new or abstract ideas without needing to invent new words. For example, the word illuminate originally meant to light up. Through metaphorical extension, it also means to clarify or make something easier to understand. Interestingly, the pronunciation of words typically remains unchanged during this process. The sound stays the same while the meanings broaden. Dictionaries often reflected these changes by listing multiple senses of a word, showing how meanings have expanded from the original sense. There are different patterns of metaphorical extension. A simple metaphorical extension involves one new meaning derived from the original. In contrast, radiation refers to multiple related meanings radiating from a central core. The word head is a great example of this, as it has many extended senses connected to the original meaning. Metaphorical extension is a natural part of how language adapts to cultural and cognitive changes. It allows us to communicate complex ideas using familiar words in new contexts. This is why some meanings feel intuitive, even if they started as metaphorical shifts. Understanding metaphorical extension is helpful for interpreting dictionary entries. Many words have multiple meanings that evolved through this process. It also aids language learners in grasping how words can convey different but related meanings based on context. In essence, metaphorical extension changes word meanings by expanding a word's original sense to new domains. This process enriches the word's semantic range while keeping its phonetic form stable, contributing significantly to the evolution of language.